This is by far the best trading platform for the Solana meme coins out here today. So basically this is Axiom Pro. Just gonna like make a quick tutorial on this. So basically we got the discover here. So the screener and trending. This basically shows the trending coins. So yeah, we got the pulse. This is where the sauce is, guys. New pairs out here. You can filter it out, so you just see pump fun or moonshot pairs, and obviously the age top 10 holders. We got the final stretch, which is like the best so far. It's the best one to like set parameters on. So basically you set my filters are 10 minutes, top holders maximum 40%, dev holding is 20% maximum, and minimum 6k market cap. So I just like see the potential coins here. So yeah, basically the migrated are the coins that made it to raydium from pump fun and moonshot. So yeah, basically it shows like some of the tokens that's going viral. So probably this is a scam though. Yeah, you see these charts are a scam. When it's going consistently up. Yep, that's probably a scam. Yeah, it's bundled. Look at this. 90% bundlers. Yeah. So basically this is going down. Yeah. Be careful of these. Anyways, so yeah. We got the trackers here. You can track wallets in here. So yeah. This is a couple of wallets I'm tracking. If you're trying to like check Bitcoin or check any like Ethereum, Solana, any token here, any like coin, actual coin. So yeah. This is for the staking, I believe. Portfolio, this is your portfolio and the reward. So basically I'm gonna like give you guys the code. I'm gonna give you the link for the platform. It's an exclusive, only inviting platform, so you can only enter with a code or like a link. So yeah, check it out and let me know in the comments what do you think. This is how I made 5k in only one day with this method I'm gonna show you right here. So basically I come across a bot that lets you like sell any token in your wallet in less than 2 seconds. Basically what I did here is dump on snipers on pump fun. You just keep doing that until like you have 5k. This is what I got from doing that. When I see a coin that's potentially being sniped, a good narrative, I make a token, go there with 4 soul, like that, 700 bucks. I made the coin and bought with 700. Like you see, these are snipers. I bought at 38 second, 40, 40, 41. These are snipers, basically. So what this bot does is sell in less than 4 seconds. Like you see, this is the other sale. So came in with 700, out with 1k. I kept repeating this until I got 5k today. This is just one day of work. Basically, this is a super low risk method right now on the Solana network, on the Solana memes. So yeah, not a lot of people know this, but this bot is literally amazing. So I came across this bot right here. This is the seller bot, the Sol seller bot. This bot sells any token it detects in your wallet, which prevents sniping of your pump on launch. So this bot is made like for devs who launch on pump on, who's like trying to get a balanced launch, like is trying to get a fair launch without these snipers. So yeah, this bot sells any token it detects in your wallet. That's what we need. Like, you can set parameters to wait X amount of seconds before selling. Yeah, that's literally what we need. Like, first of all, we gotta like import wallet. Just gonna basically, I imported the private key. Just like send it to this chat, and then like we see successfully imported wallet. Now it sells in 3 seconds by default. That's why I didn't like change the parameters. So yeah, all you gotta do is like set it as active, like you see, just like that. Status activated. Right now, this bot will sell any token he detects on your wallet. So you go on dev with that same wallet on PumpFun. Go ahead and create your new token. Just go with something like from the meta of the day. And yeah, so yeah, this is basically it. This is how this bot is exploiting the like printing money every day. He been like printing like 6 sol. He's buying with 5, selling with 6.7. Sometimes it doesn't work, but you're not like losing anything. If you're making like 1 sol, that's like enough for upcoming memes with the fees. So yeah, the link to the bot will be on my description below. It's a free bot, but it like consumes some small fees. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.